Okay, so I was asked to slide down this hill as if I'm skating. So here goes. Because it is slick out here.
Go, Speed Racer.
Go Speed Racer.
Go faster. Okay.
It's still got some thickness to it.
Well, that's his answer to all the challenges. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me tell you what's going on. If you saw the Prima video where these two raced and Hannah won, well, they're doing a rematch, you know, dad against daughter, to see who can slide down this hill as quick as possible and walk back up and win. On your mark, get set, Hannah, go. Wait.
Come on.
Go back, baby. Go down. Go down some, baby. You didn't win. You didn't. You got to go all the way down like she did.
I won.
I saw how much slipping that was.
Okay,
Start
let's
over.
Restart
because that wasn't a good one.
Okay, come on.
On your mark, get set, Hannah, go.
Whoa.
Oh Lord. Go all the way down.
Oh, yes.
Put it down his back. Put it down his shirt.
Careful. Oh.
Ha ha ha.
Get him, Hannah. Whoa, Hannah, you can't stand up.
I made it.
She can't stand up. Now, I believe
Hannah
now,
won.
You put in the chat who you think won.
Yep.
My money is on Hannah. Have a good day and enjoy the snow.
Yes.